Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach the most important stuff while you are doing the video making stuff. Okay, with AI. So that is the AI which called as OpenArt AI. Right. So what is the purpose we are doing that OpenArt AI? Because when you are become a video editor, your future plan ambition is want to be a video editor. You must learn this AI too. Okay. So while you are explaining the story or history, your past history or present. Okay. So you have to once you telling the story, explaining the story. Okay, you just show your in front of the camera and you just speaking that story to the people. That is so boring to watch the people, the people who watching the story. Okay, so imagine you are going to telling the story of yourself. You are first starting your journey from the school. Okay, so you're getting this school and you're afraid to attend the first day, and you're afraid to associate the new friends and school teachers and teachers and all. So that the moment how you feel, those are the things you have to explain. You have to go along with some images. That is a very important stuff. The people are like, okay, you can get more likes and engagement and everything. Okay, so that kind of a things you can't do it. You can't create those kind of moments right now, because those movement you don't have videos or you don't have photos. So that kind of a that kind of a things. But what we are going to do is we have a AI tool. So what I'm going to do is, here you can see here I have write the story here. I have sequence of where I need to create 4 images. It's a dialogue to go to the school, score good marks, then join good college and degree, get a good paying job and earn and retire in 60. Okay. So this is the four sequence of images. Okay, I have a sequence of where I need 4 images. So first school, you are begin your journey from the school, getting into the school with the bag, Indian school boy uniform, Indian school with the drop at 10. Okay, so we have a school life. Okay, so after that college, you make a smile on your face when you are going to have a graduation. Okay, at the stage you have your space become happy move. Likewise at the age of 21, after the working, after complete the graduation, get done by the graduation, you are getting the work right now. After that you are at the 20, you have we are working at hard at the corporated company. After that retired, you have to at the age of 60, sitting the park alone and looking the straight at the camera and give the look. Okay, this kind of a things you have to generate at the image and explain the story. But you just you have copy and put into the AI tool where you are going to generate the image. That is not a good thing. So you have to tell them the AI tool to generate the prompt. So you can see here I have to select here that tell that word image prompt creator. So I am tell that these are the things I have to generate the image prompt. So the ChatGPT which will be created a very nice prompt for according to this 4 stages. Okay, there's 4 dialogues. 1 2 3 4 dialogues. First one, you can see this 10 years old Indian boy. Here we are in the classic Indian. Everything it's mentioned is very a very efficient and concise way. You will be able to see all the things. Okay, so just copy and have paste it over here. Okay, this first prompt I just copy and paste it over here. Open AI, Open AI Art AI. So here this tool you can go have it your google.com. Here you have to select Open AI Art AI. This is very best tool for generating the characters. Okay, so you have to check. This is not completely free. You can have the free 1 or 2 images you will be able to create. Okay, first you have to whatever prompt you are generated from the ChatGPT, you just copy and paste onto this text box. After that, the image, what is the image? You are telling the story. You have a present image, but you have a when you are child, how your image look like when you are attended the school for the first day. So what you're going to do is you have to, this image, your present image will be calculated as a past. So you can see here I have created as this image. This image, how to make it, you have to paste this AI tool. The prompt after that, here there is a image drop tool. You just drag and drop the image. Okay, after the click create, the image is created. So that according to the prompt you are given here, according to the prompt you are given, image is created here. See your image, get yours, get your space. According to the space, it will be created the image. Okay, so this one it will be create the image. Okay, so the same thing, I'm going to create another prompt. So the same thing, I have created this prompt as well. After that, you have to create another prompt. I'm going to, so we'll check this one, second one, 20 page. We just copy this page. So we have an idea, paste on it, click create. Okay, the problem is here, this one I am I have to put it one sometime. So that the thing is this, sometime if you are not, it not generate more than one images, because you can at the same time you can create more than 5 images. So because the thing is this, if you are go along with the free plan, you can't achieve it. If it is a paid form, you can get the good image, looks good image. Okay, this is generation image, it's something generated the image like this. Okay, this how we have here. This is your face, this is your graduation, you are when you are make the graduation. Okay, so this kind of images you can make it. Okay, and once you are telling the story, these are the images you have to put into your timeline and explain it. Okay, so this is a very important stuff. So after the time explain here, let's check it, this one as well. Okay, copy this third one, attach this third one, put the story again. So not here. Let's check the professional man and sitting the modern corporate computer, right? Okay, then let's check the image. Here it is fantastic image, it has been created here. If you are a corporate company, you are working as a professional. Okay, so this the image is created as a professional one. Okay, this is how the image has been generated. Okay, we are working as a professional. Okay, if the images we are not satisfied, you have to generate it again. Okay, you have to generate it again. If you want, you can save it, this original image here. You will be able to download it. This one also you will be able to download it. So here after that, you have to create the image as the simply 60 of the age. You just click on it, go to that particular AI tool, click on it, with the gray wearing smart. Okay, here this one. Okay, it will be generated look like this. Okay, so this how we have created the images. Okay, so we have to go along with these other things. Okay, so we have you have a good enough knowledge to understand that. Okay, thank you for watching.